Meaning of ethyne.
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 Ethyne. Ethene, also known as acetylene, is a hydrocarbon compound composed of 2 carbon atoms and 2 hydrogen atoms. It is a colorless gas with a distinct odor and is highly flammable. Ethene is commonly used in welding and cutting torches because it burns at a very high temperature and produces a flame that is capable of melting metal. It is also used as a raw material in the production of organic chemicals and plastics. However, ethene is a hazardous substance due to its flammability and potential for explosive reactions if not handled properly.